पेज नंबर 117, weak interaction. Unlike other interaction, weak interaction are unique in that they do not form any bound system and only show through decay of elementary particles. For instance, weak interaction is always responsible for all radioactive decay in which beta particles, electron minus or electron plus, are involved. The range of weak interaction in small 10⁻⁸ m, which is about 0.1% of the diameter of photons. The dimension coupling constant for weak interaction is 10⁻⁻13 and the interaction times 10⁻10 second. In 1934, Fermi developed the first theory of weak interaction known as the Fermi theory of beta decay. Later, the weak interaction were thought to be manifestation of exchanges of certain spin on particle. Finally, theory of weak interaction known as Glashow, Weinberg and Salman theory in 1967 involved intermediate vector of boson Z0, the carrier weak of interaction. They are having masses greater than 80 g-volt and spin 1 angstrom. The summary various interaction is shown table. Basic property of fundamental interaction. Interaction strong, electromagnetic, gravitational. स्टेज में 1 10⁻³ 10⁻13 10⁻39. इंटरेक्शन टाइम इसमें 10⁻23 10⁻16 10⁻10. डैश रेंज में 10⁻15 इन्फिनाइट 10⁻18 इन्फिनाइट. क्वाटा ऑफ फोर्स में -π मेसान, ग्लूगान, फोटान, WH/Z बोसान, ग्रेविटांस, स्पिन में 0 1 1 1 2. Classification of elementary particle in cosmic ray and high energy acceleration experiment. A large variety of elementary particles were discovered. The total number of elementary particles around 1957 was about 30, and by 1965 this number rose to about 200 as the number kept on growing further. So need was felt to classify these particles at the same time since they are different in their strength, interaction times and range etc. The parameter can be used to classify elementary particle. The most common classification as shown in chart, in which the elementary particles are divided into main category. Quarta of force matter particle. Matter particles are classified into following two categories. पहला लेप्टॉन, दूसरा हैंड्रॉन. The hadron family further consist of barons and mesons. This classification has some similarities with atomic structure. All the leptons like are electrons, quarta and photons like, whereas the baryons are nucleons like them, and meson is binary like in nature. Quanta of force corresponding to the four different detections: strong, weak, electromagnetic or gravitational. There are certain quanta of force which acts as the mediator of this interaction. These properties in brief are given in a above table. W and Z boson having respectively decay widths of 2.1 gravitational volt and 2.5 gravitational volt. Decay to the lepton pair are hadron decay of I minus of the unstable particle is related to the infinite m. Are elementary particles, matter particle, quanta force, hadrons. मेसान में पाई प्लस पाई 0 पाई माइनस के प्लस के माइनस के 0 बार रो स्टार रो 0 etc. बैरियंस में pn सिग्मा प्लस सिग्मा नॉट सिग्मा माइनस डेल्टा ई प्लस सिग्मा ओमना. क्वांटा फोर्स में फोटॉन्स गामा गामा प्लस गामा माइनस जेड नॉट ग्लूकॉन ग्रेविटॉन. क्वार्टा में U, D, C, S, T, B. Each of the three colors रेड ब्लू एंड ग्रीन. इसमें आ जाएगा इलेक्ट्रॉन में इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस भी सफिक्स में ई म्यू1 म्यू सफिक्स में ई टाउ टाउ. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पार्टिकल I प्लस इक्वल टू H कट बटा के टाउ. फोटॉन्स और ग्लूकॉन्स आर इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल्स एंड massless. These are treated as stable particle. There are 8 kinds of glucans differing in the color of quantum number, quantum of the force, quanta. Glucans W plus glucan में strong 1 0 mass 0, W प्लस एंड W माइनस बोसान में इंटरेक्शन वीक, स्पिन में 1, 80 मास में 80.4 जी वोल्ट। जेड बोसान में वीक, इंटरेक्शन में वीक, स्पिन में कुछ नहीं 91 जी वोल्ट। फोटान में क्वाटा में इलेक्ट्रेशन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक, स्पिन में 1 0। क्वाटा में ग्रेविटॉन्स, इंटरेक्शन में ग्रेविटी, स्पिन में 2, मास में 0। Matter particle. Lepton do not particle in the strong interaction. Neutrons, lepton participate only in the weak interaction where B charged lepton particles are in electromagnetic as well as weak interaction. Hadron particles participate in the all interaction. Later we shall learn that all hadron having size of the order photometer are composed of quasar and are anticlocks. Reminder: the gravitational interaction is universal but does not play significant role at the present energy scale. Matter particle, particle hadrons, strong में yes, electromagnetic में yes, weak में yes। चार्ज lepton no, yes yes। न्यूट्रॉन lepton में no no yes। antiparticles scientific history. Antiparticle and of antimatter started in 1928 when Nobel laureate physicist P.A.M. Dirac dramatically predicts on theoretical basis an instant of a particle n that a certain in respect was similar and in other respect as a direct construct with an electron. After the success of non-relativistic quantum mechanics, it was natural a form in relativistic equation now known as Dirac equation, which has 4 solutions. First 2 solutions were used to describe electron minus. The least 2 solutions having negative energy were interpreted as antiparticles to electron imaging. The imagement when in 1932 Carl Duster observed these antiparticles in a cloud chamber. Later it was christened positron, which has the same mass as that the electrons but opposite charge electron plus. There has been no looking back on the story of antiparticles since then. In later experiment, points of Mousner were found to come with both particle and antiparticle space. In 1957 CPT, C equal to charge conjunction, P equal to parity, T equal to time reversal theorem was formulated, which enunciated for every particle that exists in reversal theorem was formulated, which enunciates that for every particle that exists in nature their corresponding antiparticle. The theorem also predicts that the antiparticles has same mass and particle the same in lifetime. In the particle is not stable, the opposite charge and opposite of all other internal quantum number. Certain particles act as their own antiparticle like photon and pi plus. Observation of production of antimatter. Now a question arises: how to create antiparticle? A pair of a particle and its antiparticle can be created from energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. This phenomena is known as pair creation. In fact, in the Anderson experiment, high energy cosmic ray hit the leaks placed in the round chamber R and created electron positron pair, and the two particles curved in opposite direction in the applied magnetic field. Reverse of this process known as and is also possible. A particle and its antiparticle, upon coming in contact with each other, annihilated, yielding energy in the form of radiation. The phenomena of pair production and particle-antiparticle annihilation prove conclusively the equivalence and interchangeability of mass energy. So today, antiparticle was all the basic constituent of matter, such as lepton and quarks and quantia of force have been observed experimentally. Also, antiproton p bar, antineutron n bar, and a variety of other इस category hadrons also been have observed. In 1955 an accelerator Beatron was built which gives just enough energy create antiproton. This was achieved by acceleration protons p and sufficient energy 6.2 GeV leading them with nuclei to generate the following process: P plus P tends to 3P plus P bar. Then there are intense the radioactive substance, whereas antiparticle like positron or attempts to produce atoms are better terms. In atoms made of the antiparticle, only simplest antiatom should be antihydrogen formed by positron orbiting around the antiproton. Experiment using antiproton declare a plasma bottle of collect antiproton as positron are in progress, which aims to synthesize antihydrogen. A sub-Kelvin temperature, mass spectra and decay of elementary particle step of far few particles like electron, neutron and proton. Almost all the particles are unstable and decay to other lighter particles through one or more this interaction. Every particle is denoted by a spherical symbol and electric charge is usually shown as subscript beside the charge. The particles carry unique properties like mass, magnetic moment and other quantum number. Unstable particle may have several decay modes. Lepton electrons. The first lepton was discovered in 1997. In 1937 Anderson and the other found a particle with the mass of about 105 megavolt, which was named muon. The neutrino was first postulated by Pauli in 1932 by explain the continuous energy spectrum in the beta decay process. Furthermore, this could have saved the basis conversion of law of energy, momentum and angular momentum at the microscopic level. In 1962, it was recognized that there are two kinds of neutrino. Until 1972, 4 leptons were known: electron meson, electron neutrino and muon neutrino. In 1975, a fifth lepton named tau was discovered by Pearl and his collaborators. This lepton has a mass about 3500 times the mass of electron. That means ever greater than that of proton. Tau lepton also has its corresponding neutrino partner called tau neutrino. So now the total number of lepton is 6. 3 charge and 3 neutrino, E minus mu minus tau minus V subscript E, mu subscript V subscript mu and V subscript tau, and of course antiparticle lepton do not have internal structure and presence energy scale. And all the them have spin 1/2 range of their messages lies from 0 to 1.78 GeV. Basic property of lepton and anti-lepton are given in following table. Some of their features and discussed below. Summary of lepton property: particle E minus, charge of particle -1, mass of मेगा 0.511, स्पिन में 1/2, लाइफ टाइम स्टेबल, डीके मोड में नील. भी सब इसमें ई में 0 लेस देन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट 1/2 स्टेबल नील। म्यू माइनस में -1 105.7 1/2 2.2 × 10⁻⁶ म्यू टेंस टू ई माइनस प्लस भी सब इसमें म्यू प्लस म्यू सब इसमें ई भी सब इसमें म्यू जिसको 0 लेस देन 0.19 1/2 स्टेबल नील। और टाउ माइनस में -1 1777 1/2 0.29 × 10⁻12 सेकेंड। टाउ माइनस में टेंस टू म्यू माइनस एन भी म्यू बार प्लस म्यू सब इसमें टाउ इसमें टाउ इक्वल 0 मास ऑफ मेगावाट में लेस देन 18.2 स्पीड में 1/2 लाइफ टाइम में स्टेबल डीके में मोड। एंटी पार्टिकल चार्ज ऑफ एंटी पार्टिकल डीके मोड इलेक्ट्रॉन +1 नील भी सब इसमें ई बार 0 नील म्यू +1 म्यू प्लस टेंस टू ई प्लस एंड भी म्यू प्लस म्यू ई भी म्यू बार इक्वल 0 नील। टाउ प्लस में +1 टाउ प्लस टेंस टू म्यू प्लस भी म्यू एंड म्यू 7 टाउ भी सब इसमें टाउ प्लस 0 नील। इलेक्ट्रॉन ई माइनस दिस पार्टिकल निगेटिव चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड इट्स एंटी पार्टिकल इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस इज नोइंग एज पॉजिट्रॉन। दूसरा द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ई माइनस आर जनरली प्रोड्यूस इन 2 वे। In the metal there are lot of free electron minus which can eject from the surface of metal simply by heating the metals piece of high temperature. They can be produced by ionizing the gases and extracting E minus using suitable electric or magnetic field. B in radioactive E minus are emitted when the neutron decay to proton n tends to P plus electron minus plus V इसमें E bar. The source of electron plus is also radioactive decay in which a proton decay to a neutron P tends to n plus E plus V सब इसमें are by electron positron pairs production by gamma ray gamma tends to E plus E minus. तीसरा mass of both electrons and positron is 0.511 मेगावोल्ट। चौथा मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज 1 वोल्ट मैग्नेटिक म्यू सब इसमें इक्वल टू ई बटा के 2 पाई एम सब इसमें वी सी। पांचवा इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस इज स्टेबल पार्टिकल हाउएवर व्हेन एन इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस मीट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस बोथ ऑफ देम annihilate emitting positron as E plus E minus tends to gamma plus gamma muons mu minus. This particle occurs as negative charge mu minus and its antiparticle is mu plus. दूसरा mu meson are generally produced by pions decay pi minus mu minus v u minus. mass of both muson mu suffix में mu की पावर पाई प्लस माइनस इज 105.7 मेगावोल्ट। चौथा मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ म्यून इज म्यू सफिक्स में म्यू इक्वल टू ई एच बटा के एम 2 एम सफिक्स में म्यू माइनस टेंस टू ई माइनस प्लस भी सफिक्स में ई बार प्लस भी सफिक्स में म्यू प्लस टेंस टू ई प्लस म्यू सफिक्स में ई प्लस म्यू सफिक्स में म्यू। लाइफ टाइम ऑफ म्यू प्लस इज 2 × 10⁻⁶ सेकेंड। टाउ लेप्सान टाउ माइनस दिस पार्टिकल इज एक्यूर एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज टाउ माइनस एंड द इट्स एंटी पार्टिकल इज पाई प्लस। दिस पार्टिकल आर ओरिजिनली observed in the electron minus positron collision at very high energy as E plus E minus tends to tau plus tau minus following by decay of tau lepton। दूसरा mass of both tau plus is 1.77 g volt। तीसरा like muon tau plus can be also decay through the pure lepton mode। tau minus tends to mu minus plus mu g mu सभी mu minus plus g सभी tau minus tends to mu plus v bar mu and v tau bar। However, being massive, they have several decay modes. There are dominant modes emits one or more hadron for interest tau minus tends to k minus plus v sub tau। चौथा लाइफ टाइम ऑफ टाउ प्लस इज मच स्मॉलर देन द म्यूआंस 0.29 × 10⁻12 सेकेंड। न्यूट्रिनो लाइक चार्ज लेप्टॉन न्यूट्रिनो हैव एंटी partner called antineutrinos which have been observed experimentally. All the neutrinos are antineutrinos are electrically neutrons massless and have spin 1/2 the particle is weak interaction only in electrons neutrino v sub इसमें e and v sub इसमें e bar are produced when the in the nucleus a proton and neutron decay as p tends to n plus e bar plus mu sub इसमें n tends to p plus e bar minus mu sub इसमें follow neutrino nucleus reaction takes place in nature v sub इसमें plus n tends to p plus e minus v sub इसमें e bar plus p tends to n plus e plus. However, the cross section of this reaction is extremely small -1.2 × 10⁻43 semi square. तीसरा experimental upper limits of the mass is 2 electron volt based on lithium beta decay muons neutrino v sub इसमें muons neutrino of observed in 1962 when it is realized that reaction v sub इसमें mu plus n tends to v mu minus plus p always takes place but never the following reaction. V sub x में mu plus n tends to e minus plus p. In this experiment muon neutrino were take form the pions decay muons neutrino are thus different from the electron neutrinos. दूसरा mu sub इसमें v sub इसमें mu and v sub इसमें mu minus are produced in the decay of pi meson under pi plus equal to mu plus p sub इसमें mu pi minus tends to mu minus plus mu sub इसमें mu. Experimental upper limit and of the mass 0.19 megavolt. Tau neutrino v sub इसमें tau and v sub इसमें tau bar as produced in the tau decay. The experimental upper limits on their masses is 18.2 megavolt. Hadrons. The hadrons family contains bytron and meson. Barons are particles having mass in the 1938 megavolt to few g volt region and spin half integrals multiplus of s. Since the follow Fermi-Dirac statistics, these are known as fermions. दूसरा meson are particles with spin angular momentum either 0 or integral multiples of h. They follow Bose-Einstein statistics and are known as the bosons. Some of the properties of the mesons are given below. The hadron appear in a certain ground grouping which the designated by the spin j and priority p. That means all the particles in one grouping carries the same spin and same priority. The list of the hadrons started growing with H. Yukawa predicted of 3 pi pions pi plus pi 0 pi minus in 1934 to explain the nuclear force between protons and neutrons. They were called mesons, meaning Middle Greek, as their masses lie between that of the electrons and the protons. Pions are many such particles was discovered in the pioneering work on consuming rays, which were known to lips traced in the apparatus called cloud chamber with the construction of high energy particle acceleration. Hundreds of a new and unstable particle carrying even high spin were created in the middle of 20th century. Collectively, these are known as hadron. Most of the observed hadrons having spin higher than 1/2 are found to decay within around 10⁻23 years and are called resonance, where the most spin state decay through weak interaction or electromagnetic interaction. Only protons so far been found to be stable meson. These are the particles whose masses lie between 130 megavolt to a few g volt. Meson with spin 0 of 6 years have been observed, so all of them are boson. Most of them decay through the strong interjection and are called meson. Resonance light of them having spin 0 and negative parity j सब इसमें p 0 minus pi meson are pions, k meson are kaons and eta meson belong to this group. obviously they are zero magnetic moment. This following table mass, lifetime and dominate decay modes of J खाते P and 0 minus meson are given. We now discuss the same property of these mesons. masses, lifetime, dominating decay modes, meson जैसे P J खाते P 0 minus पार्टिकल पाई माइनस पाई प्लस एंटी पार्टिकल मास 139.6 लाइफ टाइम 2.6 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस यस डोमिनेट डीके मोड पाई माइनस एंड म्यू माइनस बी सब म्यू पाई जीरो मास में 135 लाइफ टाइम में 0.84 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस 16 डोमिनेटेड डीके में पाई खाते 0 इंटू 2 गामा के प्लस के माइनस 493.7 124 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस 60 के प्लस टेंस टू म्यू प्लस बीस में म्यू बटा 2 पाई के जीरो बार 497.6 के जीरो यस 0.90 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस 10 के जीरो टेंस टू 2 पाई बटा 3 पाई बटा के पाई ई बीस में बी के नीटा एंटी पार्टिकल में 557.5 0.5 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस 18 यानी 0 टेंस टू 2 पाई बटा के पाई मेसान पियॉन्स इन 1935 यच युकावा प्रोसेस that the strong force between nucleons in the nucleus must be mediated by particle called pions. Pi are around 140 megavolt mass. In the 1947 University of Bristol group firstly observed the following week decay pi plus tends to mu plus b sub mu tends to e plus mu sub e plus mu sub mu b sub mu bar plus mu sub mu pi minus tends to mu minus plus b sub mu bar tends to e minus plus b sub e bar plus mu sub b sub mu plus b sub mu bar. पहला pions exist the positive pi plus and negative pi minus and neutrons pi के खाते 0 states. दूसरा pions exactly positive pi plus negative pi minus and neutrons pi 0 states. दूसरा pions are produced by following reaction p plus p tends to pi plus d p plus n to pi minus n plus p gamma plus p tends to pi 0 plus p. mass of pi plus meson equal to 139.9 मेगा वोल्ट एंड मास ऑफ पाई खाते 0 इक्वल टू 135 मेगा वोल्ट. चार्ज ऑफ पियॉन्स सेवरल पॉसिबल वीक डीके विच आर पाई प्लस इक्वल टू म्यू प्लस बी सब म्यू पाई माइनस म्यू माइनस प्लस बी सब म्यू पाई प्लस टेंस टू पाई खाते 0 प्लस ई खाते प्लस बी सब में माइनस टेंस टू ई माइनस प्लस बी सब में ई माइनस. The first two are dominate decay modes pi खाते 0 decay through the several channel electromagnetic. However, its dominate modes are pi खाते 0 tends to gamma plus gamma pi खाते 0 tends to electron plus electron minus gamma. Lifetime charge pions is 2.6 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस 8 यस and the neutron pions in 0.84 उड़े दर्शाते माइनस 16 यस. के मेसान या क्यान्स exist the positive k plus negatively k minus charge unchained k 0 and k 0 bar. दूसरा क्यान्स हैविंग मास अराउंड 495 मेगावोल्ट द प्रोड्यूस इन द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन पाई माइनस प्लस पी टेंस टू के 0 प्लस पाई माइनस प्लस पी नीटा प्लस के माइनस पाई प्लस पी के प्लस के 0 के बाद प्लस पी. क्यान्स डीके डोमिनेटरी थ्रू द फॉलोइंग मोड्स के प्लस टेंस टू म्यू प्लस भी सब इसमें म्यू के प्लस टेंस टू पाई प्लस पाई घटे 0. लाइफ टाइम आप के प्लस इसको 1.24 में दर्शाते माइनस 8 सेकेंड. नीटा मेसान एक्यूर बाई अनचेंज स्टेट्स. नीटा मेसान आर प्रोड्यूस बाई फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन पाई प्लस 1h2 टेंस टू पी प्लस नीटा के माइनस प्लस पी टेंस टू पाई प्लस नीटा. दूसरा नीटा मेसान डिके द फॉलोइंग नीटा टेंस टू गामा प्लस गामा नीटा टेंस टू पाई 0 प्लस पाई 0 नीटा टेंस टू पाई प्लस पाई माइनस प्लस पाई 0 नीटा टेंस टू पाई प्लस पाई माइनस प्लस गामा. डीके विथ द नीटा इज 1.30 केल्विन वोल्ट गिविंग द लाइफ टाइम 0.5 10 -18 years. वेरियांस, ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वेरियांस स्टेज कैरिंग स्पिन 1/2 to 11/2 years has been between after out of these वेरियांस 8 जे खाते p प्लस इक्वल टू 1/2 प्लस एंड जे खाते p इक्वल टू 3/2 प्लस आर कॉल्ड लाइंग वेरियांस. इट लाइक मेसान मोस्ट ऑफ द वेरियांस विथ स्पिन इज ग्रेटर देन 1/2 years decay quickly through the strong interaction leaving around 10⁻23 roughly the time taken by light of traveler across a proton. These are called variance romance out of the 10 जे खाते p छोड़ू 3/2 प्लस वेरियांस ओनली ओ माइनस बीइंग स्टेबल अगेंस्ट द स्ट्रांगेस्ट इंटरेक्शन डिके थ्रू द वीक इंटरेक्शन. इट गिवन स्टेबल मास मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ जे खाते p छोड़ू 1/2 प्लस वेरियांस आर गिवन द स्पिन 1/2 years. वेरियांस आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू 2 कैटेगरीज, पैरा न्यूक्लियस, दूसरा है प्रोटॉन्स. वेरियांस एंटी वेरियांस मास ऑफ वेरियांस मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट न्यूक्लियर मोमेंट लाइफ टाइम n p माइनस 938.3 279 स्टेबल n बार 939.6 -1.91 885.7 लेमडा 0 1115.7 -0.61 2.6 -10 सिग्मा प्लस सिग्मा माइनस 1189.4 प्लस 2.46 0.80 -10 सिग्मा खाते 0 सिग्मा 0 बार 1192.6 7.4 10 सिग्मा माइनस सिग्मा प्लस बार 1197.4 -1.48 10 सिग्मा 0 सिग्मा 0 1113.8 -1.25 2.9 10 सिग्मा माइनस सिग्मा प्लस 1326.3 -0.65 1.66 10 न्यूक्लियस p का मान. प्रोटॉन्स न्यूट्रॉन्स एंड देयर एंटी पार्टिकल बिलोंगिंग टू दिस कैटेगरी. द प्रोटॉन मीनिंग फर्स्ट ग्रीक ओवर इट्स नेम इज फैक्ट टू सिंपलेस्ट न्यूक्लियस दैट इज फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स हाइड्रोजन इन जस्ट प्रोटॉन itself. both the particle have the spin 1/h 2h and hence they are fermions under the influence of nucleus force. Both protons and nucleons are stable, however free neutrons are unstable and decay under n tends to p plus e minus plus v bar with half lifetime 886 years 15 minutes. However its act as stable particle inside the nucleus. Unlike the free neutrons, a free proton is considered to be stable particle. Proton and neutron have anti-variance partner called anti-proton and anti-neutron respectively. Hyperons, the terms of hyperon refer to those stable particles which carry additional quantum number like strangeness and dissonance. Them for nucleus the well known hyperons are lambda, sigma, xi carrying spin 1/2 and omega hyperons with the spin 3/2 delta hyperons. It was the first declared it consting ray in 1947. Later on it was also produced in laboratory by shooting 1.5 g pi minus meson or cloud chambering containing hydrogen gas. It is reaction was produced along with another particle k 0 pi minus plus p tends to lambda plus k 0. The charge of lambda is 0 and antiparticle is pi. Mass of lambda hyperon was found in 1115.7 megavolt and it half life 2.63 10 में decay mode of lambda hyperons. Lambda is equal to p plus pi minus lambda is equal to n plus pi minus. Like beta decay, lambda can be also imitated the lepton pairs. Even the proton as lambda is equal to p plus e minus b sub e bar through with the less of possibility of involve weak and agglomerated interaction. Sigma epsilon sigma haprons, there are sigma haprons, sigma plus, sigma naught, sigma minus. Their anti-particle are sigma plus, sigma bar 0, sigma minus bar life of sigma bar is 0.80 × 10⁻10. Yes, and mass is 1189.4 mega. The main modes of sigma plus are following: the sigma plus is equal to p plus pi 0, sigma plus is equal to tends to n plus pi plus. However, it can be emitted lepton pair sigma plus lambda lepton minus plus v subscript e minus, and even photon in the following decay: pi plus tends to p plus gamma, arising through a mixture of weak and electromagnetic interaction. Life of sigma minus is 1.48 × 10⁻10 and mass of 1197.4 megavolt. The main decay modes was sigma minus tends to n plus pi minus, and with the less of probability decay to pi sigma minus tends to n plus e minus plus v में e bar. Mass of sigma घाते 0 is 1192.6 megavolt. This main decay mode sigma घाते 0 tends to gamma plus gamma with half life of 7.4 × 10⁻20. Yes, sigma haprons exist to form sigma plus sigma 0 corresponding anti-particles, and sigma plus and sigma 0 sigma half life 6.4 × 10⁻10. Yes, and mass 13.3 megavolt. Decay nominated as sigma minus to sigma 0 pi minus. However, it can be decay then anti-decay sigma minus a 0 e minus v सब इसमें e bar sigma plus डेटा घाते 0 म्यू माइनस प्लस v सब इसमें म्यू बार. यही है. E0 इज द हाफ 2.9 × 10⁻10 यस, एंड मासे 1314.8 मेगावोल्ट. इट डोमिनेट डीके सिग्मा का 0 लैम्डा का 0 बाई 0. थर्ड द डीके थ्रो द फॉलोइंग मोड्स: सिग्मा का 0 सिग्मा प्लस म्यू माइनस प्लस म्यू 20 म्यू बार. सिग्मा का 0 सिग्मा प्लस एंड ई माइनस एंड v सब इसमें ई बार. सिग्मा का 0 लैम्डा का 0 प्लस गामा. सिग्मा का 0 लैम्डा का 0 प्लस गामा. Here the photon emitting decay occurred through the combinates weak and electromagnetic force. Ohm minus was discovered in following reaction: K minus plus P tends to omega minus plus K plus K 0. It has negative charge in invariant mode. Ohm minus E sigma का 0 minus sigma का 0 pi 0. Ohm minus sigma का 0 K minus. It half is 0.8 × 10⁻10 सेकेंड and mass 1672.4 megavolt. Its magnitude moment is -2.02. Nuclear magnetic non-quantum number. In the physics conversion law of state that particle properties and isolated physical system does not change as the system envelope these. In classical physics we know that their process can take place if it is allowed kinematically. We are familiar with some of such properties like energy, momentum, angular momentum, and charge, which are conserved in a classical reaction. These properties also remain conserved in quantum process or reaction. Besides, these are certain new properties called quantum number which are relevant the microscopic physics only. We do not know all the quantum number at the start. Their presence in effect deduced from experimental observation of various decay and reaction involving elementary particles. Therefore, before discussing the conservation law in particle physics, let us discuss those quantum number which are relevant to nuclear particle physics. Spin. Yes, all the elementary particles can be classified as either boson or fermions depending upon whether their spin are integrals multiply h or half odd integral multiply h respectively, are quanta of the fundamental interaction and mesons of bosons, where the leptons, baryons are quanta of fermions. These exist 2s+1 components of spin along third axis which are denoted by s3. They are thus for a spin 1/2 particle, say electron 2s+1 equal to 2, so possible value of S3 is equal to 1/2 for spin up and S3 is equal to -1/2 for spin down. For composite state, spin adds velocity to the orbital angular momentum with to give rise total angular momentum J vector is equal to L plus S vector that the J has the discrete value of starting L minus S on to L plus 1 differing for unity. For example, L is equal to 2 and S is equal to 1/2 and gives to J is equal to 3/2, 5/2 where the components will be have 2J plus 1 value. For example, if J is equal to 5/2, the value of third component is -5/2, -3/2, -1/2, -1/2, 3/2, 5/2. Charge Q, all the elementary carry either positive, negative or zero electric charge measuring in units of proton charge. The carry plus, minus or zero value electric charge of the various elementary particles have already been given respective table. Priority P, priority cause reflection of wave function charge x coordinates to -x, y, -y and z to -z. P of psi r vector is equal to psi of question I or minus vector. Diff operator P is applied second times original wave function is obtained, or P square psi r vector is equal to P psi question minus r vector is equal to psi of r vector. P square is equal to 1 or P is equal to plus minus 1. If P is equal to plus, then wave function is said to be even parity, and if P is equal to -1, this wave function is said to be odd parity. Thus, depending upon the behavior of particle wave function, psi of question minus x, -y, -z is equal to plus minus psi of question x, y, z. They carry either positive or negative parity. Quantums number boson can carry positive or negative parity. Similarly, anti-lepton carry opposite parity of lepton. Protons and gluons are negative parity. Since weak interaction can violate parity, no fixed parity can be assigned to W minus and Z boson lepton number L. All the lepton are assigned a lepton number +1 and their respectively antiparticles are assigned a lepton number -1. Therefore, lepton number of E minus, mu minus, tau minus, B sub mu and B sub tau is +1 are for their antiparticle. It is -1. In fact, there are 3 lepton number: lepton type, muons type and tau type. Thus, the electrons and each neutrino B sub E have lepton number L sub E is equal to 1 and position as anti-neutrino B sub E bar have L sub E is equal to -1. All the other particles L sub E is equal to 0, muon, mu minus and its neutrino B sub mu have muons, leptons number L sub mu is equal to 1 and mu plus, and anti-neutrino B sub mu bar have L sub mu is equal to -1. All the other particles have L sub mu is equal to 0. The similarity for the tau lepton have neutrino leptons can thus be split into 3 families, namely E minus B sub E, mu bar B sub mu and tau minus B sub T. No, each having its own family lepton number. For the other particle have hadrons and quanta of force. Lepton number takes to be 0. Baryons numbers B. All the baryons are assigned a baryons number 1 plus and corresponding antiparticle. The baryons number is -1. Thus, baryons number P, n, lambda का तो 0, sigma plus, sigma minus, sigma का तो 0, इतना mi minus plus 1, and their meson, lepton and quanta force like photon, gluons, W and Z bosons are the number of its adjoint to be 0. Isospin I. Besides having same spin, protons and neutrons have many similarity. Particularly, it is well known as that nucleus force, strong force are change independent. That means strong binding force between PNP, PN and NN essentially same. The small difference between them is attributed to electromagnetic interaction which arise due to difference in the charge of proton and neutron. These facts suggested to existence a new kinds of nuclear spin called isospin. Starting differentiality in the world of strong interaction only, we can think of proton and neutrons as the two orthogonal states of the same particle called nucleons. The isospin is a vector quantity introduced to describe we two quantum number I and I3, and I3 have the value of ranging from -I to I separately by unity projection of isospin along the third axis. I3 appear as different charge state and corresponding particle for a group of two particles are doublet like proton and neutron. I is equal to 1/2 and triplet like sigma plus epsilon minus epsilon 0. I is equal to 1. Similarly to spin, there is 2I+1 components are isospin along the third axis, which are designed by I3. Therefore the doublet P minus n question 2I+1 is equal to 2. The possible value of I3 is equal to 1/2 for protons and I3 is equal to -1/2 for neutrons. Among the meson K plus and K0 from the isospin doublet. Similarly for triplet sigma plus sigma 0 sigma minus isospin in describe vector isospin I is equal to 1. Therefore I3 is equal to 1 corresponds to I plus. I3 is equal to 0 corresponding to I sigma 0, and I3 is equal to -1 correspond to sigma minus. Among the meson pions pi plus pi 0 pi minus for the isospin vector, one may observe interesting relation among the electric charge, the third isospin, and variance number q is equal to I3 plus b beta 2, which gives the charge q present each number of isospin multiple. For example, variance number of pn multiplied is plus and I3 protons is plus 1/2. Therefore q is equal to -1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 0, indicating that no charge is present on neutrons. Strangulacious. Soon after the discovery of hyperons, it was realized that these particles were behaving in a strong manner. They are produced by strong interaction and have charge production cross section. However, they are lifetime characteristic of weak interaction. Their decay are always by way of weak interaction, for in few cases electromagnetic interaction. Another strange part about this particle is that they are always produced in pair, e.g. K meson in association with lambda and sigma hyperons. This effective called associative production by a pair for intense K meson and lambda barons is discovered by pions nucleon. Reaction pi minus plus p tends to lambda question में n plus pi 0 plus k खाते 0 pi plus pi minus. There are called strange particle as they are produced in pair of through strong interaction. Lifetime -10 खाते -23, but decay through weak interaction. Lifetime 10 खाते 8. Yes, this situation led to use the expression strong particle to describe K meson and hyperons, as all these was certainly puzzling. This finally led to suggested a new quantum number might be associated with the new particle, which was called strangeness by James Munn and Nijmins in 1953 to account for the strange interaction but not in weak decay. A non-zero strangeness is assigned to the construct to nucleus, pions and photons which have zero strangeness. Yes, is equal to 0 for the remaining particle. Strangeness is assigned using the Gell-Mann-Nijma relation given below. Gell-Mann-Nijma scheme. Gell-Mann-Nijma observed that the electric charge in unit E of a hadron can be related to its isospin baryons number of strangeness as Q is equal to I3 plus B plus S बटा के 2. For instance of proton we have Q is equal to I1, I3 is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 1 as S is equal to 0, which obviously satisfy this relation. Similarly, quantum number of positively charged pions Q is equal to 1, I3 is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 0 and S is equal to satisfy using the relation. Stranger for various particle can be assigned. For example, lambda का 0 hyperons using Q is equal to 0, I3 is equal to 0 and B is equal to plus. Gell-Mann-Nijma relation gives stranger S is equal to -1. Similarly, the O minus hyperons carrying Q is equal to -1, comma I3 is equal to 0 and B is equal to +1. The relation yield S is equal to 2 question में Q minus I3 minus B is equal to 2 question में -1 minus 0 is equal to minus question में -1 is equal to -3. In the table have mass, various quantum number of charge, hadrons, numbers, isoprene, stranger of meson. Similarly, properties of baryons are given in table. Hyperchange y Gell-Mann-Nijma relation can also written Q is equal to I3 plus y by 2 and y is equal to B plus S. It's called hypercharge. All 2I plus 1 members of given hyperosmy multiplet have the same hypercharge y. For example, the triplet pi plus pi 0 pi minus hyperons is 0 for k minus meson I is equal to 1 by 2. There are two multiplets constituting the particle k plus k0 and the other of antiparticle k plus minus k not 0. The hypercharge of the former pair is plus 1 and that later pair is -1. Lepton, proton, gluon do not carry hypercharge. There are hypercharge is 0. It is interesting to note the meson and baryons. So the table gives above carry similar pattern for electric charge and hypercharge. For these hyperons, one may also note that y is also be equal average charge of the member of isospin multiplus charm bottom top quantum number. Subsequence discover of new particle d, ds, b and lambda hadrons introduce a new quantum number called charm bottom b and top t. Including these quantum number, definite of hypercharge has been expanded y is equal to b plus s plus c plus b plus t. Thus expanded the Gell-Mann-Nijma formula Q is equal to I3 plus b plus s plus c plus b plus t बटा के 2. Thought the from 1 remains unaffected. This permits us the given intermediate definition of hypercharge as twice the difference between the electric Q charge is isospin component I3 and particle y is equal to question में Q minus I3. A particle and is antiparticle have opposite value of both Q and I3. Hence the hypercharge will be numerically equal to magnitude but opposite sign is 0. Conservation law on the interaction and control by certain convergence law hyperons. There exist a few conservation laws which are valid for some interaction and not other interaction. For example, parity, isospin and other flavors quantum number are not covered in weak interaction. There is or are to exist a rule a stronger interaction of a more symmetrical. It is the familiar conservation law of classical physics. पहला conservation of energy, conservation of charge, conservation of linear momentum, conservation of angular momentum and also and hold good for particle physics. provided we have made relativities corresponding to the mass, momentum, etc. There are, however, some modes of decay which are never observed experimentally. Therefore, it was supposed that these may be prevented by some unknown law of conservation. Hence, new law of conservation have been deduced from a study of possible type of particle decay. These are new law of conservation. However, a particle string velocity. These law of discussed as follow. Conservation is lepton number. This law state that is any particle reaction decay, the total number of lepton is also converted. Conservation of lepton, L is equal to plus for 1 and E neutrino, L is equal to -1 for anti-lepton, L is equal to 0 for all other particle. For example, let us consider pair production gamma is equal to E minus plus E bar for L 0 plus 1 minus 1. Thus, the total lepton number L is 0, non-LHS and RHS. Thus, lepton number is converged. Let us consider the decay of neutron. N tends to P plus E minus plus B sub E bar 0 0 1 plus 1 minus 1 is allowed since the number of lepton before the 0. However, the following decay N tends to P plus E minus plus B sub E 0 0 1 plus 1 is non-permitted since leptons number is not equal to both sides. Therefore, conservation of lepton number does not permitted in this decay to occur. Conservation of variance number. This law states that the any particle reaction decay, the total number of variance in converse considered N to P plus E minus and gamma E bar B 1 1 0 0. Thus, the total value of variance number B before and after the decay is 1. B is converged in process, no decay in process, and 8 been observed in the variance number of non-conserved. Convergence of isospin I. According to this law, the total isospin of particles subjected to strong interaction is always conserved in the decay of reaction. Consider delta plus tends to P plus pi star 3 by 2 1 by 2 1. In this example, isospin is converged, so decay is allowed. Conservation of hyper charge. According to this law, for a strong and electromagnetic interaction, the total hyper charge remains constant in reaction of the decay. Consider the reaction P plus P tends to lambda 0 K plus 0 P plus P pi plus 1 1 0 1 1 0. In this example, hypercharge is conserved. Positrons are discovered by Anderson. A positron is a particle with a same mass as the same electron but with positive charge. तीसरा, the anti-particles of electron is positrons. चौथा, a particle having no charge and almost no mass, neutrino, the neutrino. The difference between photon and neutron is spin of photon is 1 and the neutrino is 1 by 2. छठवां, the phenomena of the pair of conductivity, production of a electron and positron of gamma ray. सातवां, when high energy gamma ray photon process through the strongest electric field having nucleus, it gives rise the electron and proton is phenomena is called pairs conduction. B. 8वां, to produce electron positron pair minimum energy of gamma photons must be 2004-2005 में 1.02 मेगावोल्ट. 9वां, when a particles have anti-particle come toward each other, they disappear producing an electric energy. This phenomena is called C-pair annihilation. So in the nuclear reaction, which of the following is conserved? Momentum, charge, sum of mass, energy, all of these. A free neutrino decay into proton and electric field and D anti-neutrino. The decay process mu bar E bar V bar is forbidden because the law of conservation of C lepton number. 13वां, possible modes of proton decay P plus and pi 0 plus mu plus are forbidden. A proton is stable because It does not satisfy law of conservation lepton. B. It is not satisfy the law of conservation baryons. C. There are no baryons lighter than the protons of these. So the which of the following non-fundamental particle meson? 15 baryons are number of p plus pi 0 plus pi plus b plus 1. 16 proton mates of C quarks. 17 protons are has spin value b plus 1. 18 which of the following have lepton electron A? Which of the following have baryons B neutrino? 21 the antiparticles of electron is positron. Selected the particle whose mass is closest in the value of positron is electron. 22 the rest of mass mu meson is D 207 jam. This one the rest of mass proton is 0. So this one the pair of particles of anti-particle are corrected. C meson or anti. So spin of lepton is 1/2 C. 26 neutrons of proton are ground B baryons. 27 spin of electron is C 1/2. Complete. Om Namah Shivaya.